Yeah, hello everybody, Dadas here. Well, welcome to the next daily recap, my regular daily video that I'm making at the end of the day. Every day I stream all my trading live on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, so you can join my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions. You can actually see my screen. You can see my charts in real time, and you can see all my trades done in real time. So, as for today and the DAX 30 index that I'm trading, well, first of all, today is October 1st, 2020. And tomorrow, and it's Thursday, right? So tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is the first day of the first Friday of the month, and we can see that there is the typical USA or USD non-farm employment change, USD unemployment rate, and USD average hourly earnings monthly to monthly, right? So those are very significant macroeconomic data news that usually has some specific impact on changes of prices. Most usually, not always, but almost usually. So basically, it pretty much looks like that's what the DAX market is also doing, like waiting for something. Anyways, we can see that basically the Asian session was a pretty one-directional one, and it was a bullish one, and then it went sideways, a little bit of a pullback, and then after the opening of the Frankfurt session it went up, made a daily high, and then on the opening of the London session the price dropped or made the break move, right? So we basically, the break move was right here, right? That was the break move, and that's practically that's the first move of the market. I wasn't there yet, so when I joined the market the price was already lower and moving back up. So basically what I was thinking of is going long. I mean, I considered both situations right there. I was trying to figure out what the price could do, but based on this price action, so like, you know, a drop down and a pretty quick recovery, right, that made a new high, it pretty much it was signifying that the market would be going up. So my basic idea was like this. So my, you know, potential take profit was pretty high over there. I didn't put any take profit there, but that's basically what I was thinking of. So, you know, initially the price did go up a little bit right here, like about 8-9 pips. But again, I decided today that I would wait. You know, every time I decide that I would wait, I get a stop loss or I get out at some loss. So as you can see here, one lot, I saw that the price started moving back down pretty violently, so I just got out of it and turned around and at 10 lots and recovered my loss and made profit. It's obvious this is about 27.5 pips at one lot, and this is 34.2 pips at one lot, right? At one lot. So that's a very easy calculation. Divide by 10, multiply by 10, right? Comes up. Yeah. Now, after that, I was a little bit maybe not confused, but I was trying to figure out what the heck are they going to do, because for a moment it looked like when they bounced off right here that they would still be going up, but you know, I was trying to make sure. I was looking at my mini charts. I didn't like what I was seeing, so especially on the H4. So I took a closer look on the H4, and for a moment I was thinking of maybe they will be going up, but then I looked closer on the H4. I did this, and all of a sudden it became clear that it is more bearish than bullish. That is actually more bearish than bullish. Now, had I noticed that earlier, I would have probably been looking only for short trades and not long trades. And well, anyways, this was a little bit confusing because, you know, right here the daily pivot level, because that was bullish in that moment. So basically, that's why the confusion, because that was acting as support, and again it was acting as support. It's still acting as support, right? But the picture from the H4, well, is showing that it would be better to go short than to go long. For example, like this, right? So even if I had a trade that didn't reach the take profit, it still would have been probably a better trade than what I did over there. But anyway, that's what happened. Nevertheless, I didn't lose, and that's the important thing. And somehow, like I will repeat. Maybe I'm repeating myself, but maybe you didn't hear it. I mean, you know, I don't know who's gonna listen to this video in the future, or even just today. Well, what did I want to say? Oh well, I just lost my track of my mind. Anyways, yeah. I thought to myself that well, today, this day, and the price action altogether doesn't look very good. It's better not to trade than to trade. I wanted to say that every time I decide to wait, despite of what's going on, I get either a stop loss or I get out before I get the stop loss. Every time I'm reacting to the profit, then I get a profit, because like I said, on this first trade, on this first long, there was some profit right here. I could have taken like 8 pips. That's something I take, right, sometimes. And right here the profit was even bigger, so had I waited a little bit longer, the profit would have been like up to even 20 pips. So some 10 pips would have been still good enough for me, right? So basically, somehow that's what happens. Had I been waiting even longer for this long, and I had put my stop loss somewhere over here, I would have gotten that stop loss, right? I mean, obviously. So yeah. Okay. So, like I say, can we always be successful? No, of course not. There will be this day when we have to take a stop loss and quickly decide what to do next. Turn around or not turn around, or simply wait a bit, think about it, if the situation is good enough, right? Reanalyze everything, and then make a decision whether to trade or not. Okay, so that's it for today. Like I say, I am streaming live every day. So please join me on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions. Please like my YouTube channel, subscribe if you already haven't, and hit the notification bell and choose which option. There are 3 options right now. choose which option you want it to be to notify you. And also, if you would like to become my patron or perhaps support me directly through my PayPal, you are welcome to, because there are lots and lots of benefits. I mean, if you become, of course, I am also a coder, an MQL4 coder. So if you would like me to code some kind of an indicator, a special indicator for you, or an expert advisor, or even a robot expert advisor, I can do that, of course, for an agreed amount of money, or you can become my patron or support me through PayPal directly on a regular monthly basis. And in that way, depending on the level of support and on the time that you stick with me, you will also be able to ask for me to do such things, to help you out individually, and all of these extra benefits that come with being a supporter. Okay, thanks a lot for today. Please keep healthy, keep safe, and until next time, bye.